Yan na daw, guys. Another a star. Okay. More. That is, where is the 41? Right, the 41. Oh, na daw siya. May idea na daw siya, guys. No, 41. Just follow this. Yeah, I know. I know you're smart. Right, the 41, like 41. Sige daw.
41.
Oh, di na kita i-teach, ha? 4, 1. Just follow that, oh. Just follow that, ha? And then here, 40.
Ako yan.
Sige daw. May idea na daw sa may technique na siya, guys. Oh, may technique na siya. I love your technique. I love your idea. That is your new idea?
Yeah.
I love your ideas.
Want to get my ideas?
Oh, 43. Where's the 43? Oh, look at that. Are you blind? Erase it. Erase it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. This one, erase it. That is 43. Here. Erase ano. This one. Yeah. I change it. See daw?
2.
What number? You replace it. Number 3.
Number.
Yeah, change it. Yup. That is 43. Don't libat-libat. Don't blind ba. 44. 44.
44.
Oh, look at that, oh.
No.
Oh, check the, check the, follow the pattern ba? Not 5 yan, 4. Look at that, oh. Erase that. Oh, 43, 44, 45 here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
7.
Meron na daw isang bagong technique, guys, na sinusundan para madali niya matuto, okay?
Okay, Mom.
4. Wow. Next is?
Okay. 6.
Wow. What's next? 40.
40.
Look at that.
47.
Very good. And then?
40.
Very good. Ano dyan sa technique ba? What's that?
30.
This one.
No.
Oh, 9. What's next? 50.
50.
5 and 0. That is 50. 5. Baliktad ang 5 mo. Erase. Oh my God. Erase your 5. That is baliktad yan.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, I like a Mickey Mouse. You're so cute, love. 50. Faster. 50. Faster. 5.